Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to install a plastic snap button on your clothes. Things we need button, plastic snap buttons like this. I bought this from Amazon. It came with the tool, along with the tool. Then you need the plier, which is used for installing the snap button, and then you need the fabric. Okay, so snap buttons has two parts. You install the male part on one side and the female part on the other side. So these are two pre-installed buttons that I have installed. So this is how it works. This is how it works. So if you see, actually it should be, yeah, so this, you can hear the snap. So this is how it works. So let us go ahead with our installation. So for installing these buttons we need, so today we need only yeah, sorry, that pops up. We need the pliers and the piercing thing. So rest all we don't need it right now. So the pliers are this piercing tool is used to pierce the fabric or whatever surface you want. So I have made a hole here. Now for ease I will use white snap buttons. So now we will use a white one. You do this, and so so one part will look like this. So here the important part is, I think you can see the protruding plastic piece there. So we need to fix that. And here what we have to do is we have to go to insert this here, and this is the female part. Okay. So now we have inserted it right in place, but yeah, they won't sit together because they have that protruding cone shaped plastic piece there. So now we will take the pliers, and we need to make sure that the size of the black here is bigger than the size of this part. So anyway, right now it is pre-installed, so it is there. So I keep it like this. I prefer doing the other one. Okay, so here you come and we give it a very good hard squeeze with your pliers. Okay, so I've done that. Hopefully this is enough. So now you will see that cone shaped part has gone inside. It's no longer a cone shaped item, but it's still there. We'll do the same thing here. Fix it, give it a good hard push. Now let's check if it is working. We take these two parts, we check it. Yeah, it gives a small snap. Okay, I think it is done. So this is how we fix a snap button. Thanks for watching.